The divine feminine is not simply womanhood, nor is it bound by gender. It is the living current of creation itself, the pulse of life that nurtures, softens, and restores balance to the world. She is the whisper of intuition that rises in silence. She is the tender strength that holds when all else falls apart. She is the fertile ground where ideas are conceived, where love is born, and where transformation begins. The divine feminine does not force, she allows. She does not conquer, she invites. Her power is not loud, but it is immeasurable. Like water shaping stone, she teaches us that gentleness is not weakness, but the highest form of strength. To embody the divine feminine is to embrace receptivity, compassion, and trust in the cycles of life. It is to honor the sacred rhythms of birth, death, and rebirth, in nature, in relationships, in ourselves. And when we awaken her within, we remember balance. We remember that true power is not dominion, but harmony. That true wisdom is not held in the mind alone, but in the heart that feels, the womb that creates, and the spirit that surrenders. The world is now calling for the rise of this sacred energy. For too long we've lived in imbalance, overvaluing force, speed, and control. But the divine feminine returns to remind us to slow down, to listen, to love, to be. So may we honor her within ourselves. May we see her in the earth, in one another, and in the quiet places of our own souls. And may we remember, when we live in harmony with the divine feminine, we live in harmony with life itself.